Good morning. It's not a beautiful day, but today my drone will arrive, so I will make an unboxing in a short time. I hope it will arrive today.
And the drone finally arrived. I was so happy to see it, and I did the unboxing. Just I just packed out quickly and then tried to charge it right away. So yeah, I was also lucky that I got also the Fly Combo More that was on stock as well. Because with the bag it's nice, and of course with the, the batteries, the two pieces that comes additionally.
So, as you can see, I just received my Mavic 2 Pro. Many I'm not the first one to receive it because I live in Switzerland and not in the United States. So I just received it today on the 3rd September, and it's 4:30 now. I just packed it out. As you could see, the weather is changing a lot. So why I bought this and why the Pro? Because of course the 1-inch sensor, and many YouTubers said it's comparison with an RX100, and here it is, the RX100 picture. This is a very good camera, so I really I will test the images of this too, not the video quality, because the video quality you can also see on YouTube and many other places or already have seen. So, but how the picture of this one versus this one, how this will compare, and I will also upload the files so that you can also download it. So I'm again on my RX100. This is my main camera for YouTube videos I make because it's just a great piece. The only setting, no microphone input. So, we will go out soon, but first I will surely need to make an update, because DJI already informed me before even the package arrived that I need to make an update on my drone, and this I will do now. So, just first images, but the comparison we'll do a little bit later. I will go now down. I tried to update it several times, but the DJI Go app on Android doesn't work very well, it seems, so I fly it now without any updates. So for a smoother video I just decided to use my Pilot Fly C45 again, but let's try it, doesn't make any trouble. But the battery pack and the charger that it comes with the Fly More bundle, you can charge up to 4 batteries at the same time, but they will not charge at the same time. They will charge one and another. So, but you can put in maximum 4. I can show you this. So I'm here again at the river. The image is surely a little bit slower because I'm using my Pilot Fly C45 today. I hope it works today, not like the last few times.
So we are already at the end of this clip. I just wanted to make a short comparison of the picture of the RX100 and the Mavic Pro 2. But I must say I'm very happy with the drone. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to download the picture I made with the RX and with the Mavic, so that you can make the comparison on yourself. But in my opinion, the RX100 won this challenge. But I think it was also a little bit unfair, because the Sony RX100 counts one of the best camera that you can buy in a small size. So, but my DJI Mavic 2 will surely be my main drone now, and my Phantom 4 I just sold today. Have a great day, bye bye.